Hello. Welcome to Academic Related TV. In today's video we will be discussing a complete guide on how to become an OPay agent in Nigeria. In this video you will learn what the average salary of an OPay agent is or what it takes to be an OPay agent and more. Without wasting time, let's begin. OPay is an Africa-focused mobile payments platform. Founded by Norwegian browser company Opera. This mobile wallet developed by Opera is designed for devices such as Android and iOS. Through OPay, life is made easy beyond the imagination of anyone. Nigeria is the third African country operating OPay besides South Africa and Kenya. OPay is a simple payment system which gives users the enablement to pay their telephone, electricity, internet, and other utility bills safely and with ease. It is quite simple and easy to use. All that's needed of you is to download the OPay app, register, add balance, and make payment for the bills online. OPay offers a wide scope of services to their customer, which includes: Number 1. Recharging and paying all NTC, Cell, and Smart Cell related bills. Number 2. Paying SIM TV, Dish Home, and Mero TV bills, and more. That being said, how can anyone become an OPay agent in Nigeria? Number 1. Download and install OPay app on your Android iOS enabled phone through the link that is listed in the description below. Number 2. Use your active phone number to complete the installation of the OPay application on your phone and initiate a chat with the support team, requesting for your registration form. Number 3. Fill the form correctly and make the following documents available: a passport photograph, a sample of your paid utility bill, any means of identification like your voter's card, driver's license or national ID card, and the CAC documents, though this is optional. Lastly, number 4. On how to become an OPay agent in Nigeria. After completing the application process, you can start your transaction with an OPay customer care using any of the following mediums. Number 1. You can reach their customer service through their official email at support@opay.team or, number 2. through their WhatsApp number 090-667-229-24. So, what does it take to be an OPay agent? To become an OPay agent, you are required to meet the OPay Agent Requirements, which include the following. Number 1. You must know how to read, write and communicate. Number 2. Provide the following documents: passport photograph as stated earlier, sample of paid utility bill, a means of identification, and corporate affair commission documents. Number 3. A shop, smaller or medium size, will be required for customer base contact. Number 4. You must be in possession of an Android mobile phone that is functional and internet friendly. As an added advantage, get customer relation skills. And finally, number 5. Get your biometric verification number, BVN. This is very important if you are working from Nigeria. In conclusion, an OPay agents earn an average salary of 61,243 Naira monthly. The collation of this data is carried out by several employees from OPay. OPay salary are received by agents for playing several roles, which include business developer, customer care advisor, customer service officer, customer support executive, digital marketer, engineer, etc. There you have it, how to become an OPay agent in Nigeria. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Have a great day.